Well, good morning, divers. What a beautiful morning it is. We are anchored here on San Benedicto Island at the boiler. And we are about ready to start our dive day. So please join us for our dive site briefing in 15 minutes up on the sun deck. It is a beautiful morning to be on the sun deck. So please join us in 15 minutes for the dive briefing.
Nothing to gain, hollow and alone in the fall.